Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to appear offline on Facebook. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then you will be redirected to menu. Here you will see the settings gear icon on the top right hand side. So tap on it. In the settings, scroll down and you will see audience and visibility section. So in the bottom of audience and visibility section, you will see active status option. So tap on it. Then you will see the option show when you are active. You can see this option is enabled. So toggle off this option. Then you will see this pop up turn off active status. You can read this and tap on turn off. Now your active status is disabled, means that other won't be able to see your active status on Facebook and you will appear offline. But keep in mind one thing, that you won't be able to see your friend's active status as well after turning off this option. And this is how you can appear offline on Facebook.